Hello friends, welcome to Stock Business News. Friends, today I went to all the details about Ramco Systems, why it surged nearly 10%, about 10%. Friends, I come across with all the things, but there is no update regarding today's news or today's press releases by Ramco Systems. But friends, what I am expecting, the share price statically fallen from its highs 740 750 levels to below 600, and that is the main reason, and its results are the very good things we have to look. And next, going to its business areas, Ramco HR with global payrolls and what you called connecting every knock of your business, and it having HR roles, time and attendance, workforce, finance and everything. But what thinks me to attract today is Ramco Systems came with a new invention. Friends, it's really invention. I already mentioned about technology changing 2020, that means 2020 to 2030 is the decade, friends, which IT will extraordinary change things, friends. And from 1990s and from 2000s there is a lot of difference, and 2010 onwards 2020 they're making a huge difference. And still now we are going to see what is that Ramco Systems Chia. They are going to uh, roll the world with their product, that is Chia, your personal chatbot to carry out transaction, ask policy queries and lend a support. Friends, you didn't think this is a small thing, but I am expecting this will give a revenue and higher profits to this company in coming quarters. Why, I will discuss you now itself. See here, Ramco Systems Q3 results looks great. Ramco Systems signs deals with DLF. It also looks great. Ramco Systems partnered with here. It's a technological company, HERE. And next one is we are going to see press releases. And here one thing I want to show you, which is this one. Ramco Chia is now on Signal and Telegram. Friends, it's an Indian company which made a debut in Signal and Telegram, and it also made in 12 social media apps. That means Ramco Systems announced the availability of Ramco Chia chatbot. It's an virtual assistant. With this, Ramco system is now available in 12 leading, including this Signal and Telegram, leading social messaging platforms, including WeChat and Microsoft Sky and Microsoft Teams, WeChat, WhatsApp, Google Assistants, Face Messenger, Facebook Workplace, Line and Slack. These reaching the users where he or she is. That means, friends, it gonna be changing the social media with this small app. That means added feature for the Telegram and Signal. These social media platform messaging things can get good benefits, which including this Ramco Chia. Why? Because if you see, it is having an artificial intelligence driven virtual assistance which uses deep learning and natural language processing to simplify day-to-day HR transactions. And friends, you see, this is initially assisted employees managers in use cases such as attendance and reimbursements, cancellations, onboarding and medical insurance, and now it supports multitude of new functionalities. Answer the queries of employees regarding pensions and bonus, providing a breakdown of their payments, whatnot. It's giving a very good things, and they will improve this also. We want one idea, friends, then automatically we will work hard on it and we will go through and break through it. So now it is a good thing that came. This news came at February 1st. From that day onwards, Ramco Systems share falling, and after all the falls today, it went nearly 11% up. And friends, I am seeing the share, what you called, delivery quantity, that it is showing a great delivery quantities in recent days also. And friends, today I am expecting that it carried out using Microsoft and other things, these all the things okay. And I am expecting the share still having target of 1000. One of our member in our chat box asked me about where is our targets. Friends, still having targets 1000, but we have to wait patience. It's not a small thing in share market. You will get one day 1 lakh, 2 days 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs. It will take some time. In delivery we have to wait, we have to create wealth with patience only in share markets. So friends, who are having with me in the share, they will know how Ramco Systems done its journey from its lows. So friends, this is my view on Ramco Systems, and its delivery also very good today. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, share my channel.